So who are you and what's your role at SG Fleet?
I'm Jeremy Wheelahan, Operations Director at SG Fleet. My role focuses on how we manage assets and services behind the scenes to deliver consistent, long-term outcomes for our customers.
So what teams do you lead at SG Fleet?
I lead the trade, fleet services and operations enablement teams. Together they're responsible for managing the full vehicle lifecycle from onboarding, in-life services to vehicle disposals. We make sure that what we promise customers is delivered reliably and at scale.
So what do each of these teams do within the business?
Trade services are responsible for residual value setting, maintenance strategy, supplier performance and how vehicles are ultimately sold at lease end. They bring together commercial and technical expertise to support build management, ensure vehicles are maintained properly and protect value over time. Fleet Services manages registrations, infringements, tolls and fuel programs.
And so what about the Fleet Services team?
They ensure that transactions are accurate, that supplier processes are consistent and that reliable data supports decision making.
So tell me about operations enablement.
Operations enablement makes sure that everything scales properly, from strong customer onboarding, clean data and effective controls. They ensure that the data we use is reliable for FBT reporting, for customer journey, no matter how large or complex the fleet.
So it sounds like you've got such a busy team. How do each of your departments come together to deliver for customers?
These teams work together as a single lifecycle model. Fleet Services and Trade influence how assets perform in life. Trade manages how that translates into end-of-lease outcomes. Operations enablement ensures that the data and controls connect it all. That alignment is what allows SG Fleet to deliver consistent outcomes for our customers.
So why does this level of operational discipline matter for our customers?
Customers may not see all this, but this allows SG Fleet to be a long-term partner rather than just a provider. Disciplined in-life management, strong maintenance and supplier oversight, and realistic residual values means pricing can hold up over time.